Hey, this quick tutorial will help you turn complex data into clear visual insights using Noloco charts. Let's get started. First, we'll cover how to start visualizing your data with Noloco's chart features. This lays the foundation for effective data presentation. Start by clicking Add a Collection from your main dashboard to set up where your data will live. Switch the display setting of your collection from list or grid view to charts. This tells Noloco you're ready to visualize your data. You've now set the stage for adding and visualizing a chart in your app. Next, we'll show you how to tailor your chart for effective data analysis. Customizing chart types and axis will make your data presentation clear and insightful. Let's customize this basic chart to showcase revenue generated by sales representatives. To customize your chart, click the pencil icon next to it. First, choose the chart type. From the plethora of options available, pick a bar chart to represent your data. In the summary section, select how you want to see your data. For example, choose the sum option, then pick a color scheme to make your chart beautiful. Next, customize the titles and labels of your chart. Set the title to Revenue 1 by Sales Rep, and add help text to better call out the function of the chart. Once that is done, label the X and Y axes. For example, the X-axis label can be sales rep and the Y-axis label can be revenue generated to display revenue generated by each sales rep properly. You can also adjust the chart width to whatever looks good on the page. You've now made some basic customizations to your chart. That's it. You've learned the basics of how to create and customize charts in Noloco. You're all set to now go ahead and start visualizing your data.